So I got something really special from Japan, and if you guys watch my stories, you know what this is. I've been looking for aesthetities, guys, for a hot minute, and they are not cheap. All I gotta say. These are insanely expensive. How expensive? Well, I saw a brand new set of these go for $10,000. I got these from Yahoo Auctions Japan, and then my friend Yoshi actually purchased it for me, and then they shipped it to my hotel, and I just brought it back on the plane. So, without further ado, let me show you guys what these babies are. This is Japanese packaging. It's crazy how OCD they are with packing in Japan. So if you've ever bought anything from Japan, you know how like well packaged it is. And their USPS or their FedEx, they actually take care of the packaging. Like they don't throw it around. That's how it came after, you know, all the freaking flights and all that stuff. I had like 2 flights. Okay, so I'm just gonna open this up. Oh, I'm so excited. Now these are used, so I can't really tell you if these are perfect, but for the price I pay, I think these are gonna be pretty epic. I'm just gonna have to slowly open these, but I'll jack in it there. Oh. Can't believe I waited 2 days to open these. Okay, come on. Dude, I'm kind of excited and kind of scared at the same time. You guys ever bought used parts without looking at them first? And just photos? Well, that's what I did. Yahoo Auctions Japan, dude, they have so many cool things. It's basically like a eBay, but a nice for eBay. Dude, this guy packed this thing like it's going to the moon. Okay. Okay. The world's slowest unboxing. Okay, here we go. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully it's good. Okay. Okay, not bad. Obviously, you guys know what it is now. How clean is it, though? Look at that! That thing is clean! Now, this is obviously like the chrome version. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Mine is like the black version. So I wanted to get a set of these just for kicks. All right, now I can get like all the internals and then swap out, you know, parts back into that. So it's nice. Actually, those headlights right there, I made 1 set out of 2 because it's hard to find clean Integra headlights these days. So obviously this one, no broken tabs. That's insane. Look at that. Perfect. No broken tabs. Everything inside's clean. So if I ever decide, I just take my black housing, pop it in here, polish this out, and it's nice and clean again.